This week we take a break from Takazar and head to the south coast for the Southampton Boat Show. This is the 54th year of the Southampton Boat Show, and it's the largest boat show in the UK. Inside there's everything from sailing gear, dinghies, kayaks, things to buy for your boat, as well as boats, and more boats, and of course the bars. Hello Denise, you alright? First things first though, Gav finds the vodka stand. Have you found the vodka stand already?
I thought
is it even lunchtime yet?
I think pretty much, yeah. Oh, it's 5 to 12, I mean, come on. Let him off.
Is it seaweed vodka?
Yeah, do you want to try something?
Well yeah, go on then, yeah.
We've also got, why don't I try you both with us?
I can't believe you just necked all that, I was sipping it nicely.
I'm supposed to be not drinking till tonight.
Hey.
There you are. Now, he's going to do nothing in a minute, except, I'll tell you what, if you turn yourself around a bit so you're facing your audience. He will be, the Comato's doing, he's able to, right, that'll do, that's fine. Now, Rich, what she's going to do is hold you between finger and thumb. Oh yeah, so, but I told him my mate.
The first boat we went on was actually a warship from the British Navy. This is HMS Exploit, which is one of the 14 Archer class patrol vessels. One of its main roles is training future Royal Navy officers in pilotage and seamanship, as well as assisting naval operations and controlling inshore maritime security. Next we head on the Thalassa, an imposing three-masted tall ship from the Netherlands. She was built in 1980 in the traditional way, but with all the modern safety conveniences. Thalassa is present in many international nautical events and participates in tall ship races. Anyone can book to go on this ship, as she runs day trips, weekend cruises and longer sailing trips. There's 15 double cabins, all with ensuite. So we now start looking around the yacht, and the first we check out is one of my absolute favourites, Halberg-Rassy. This is the 400, which is a 40-footer. Hallbergs are known for their exceptional build quality, superb craftsmanship and elegant lines. Down the companionway you find a luxurious saloon with an L-shaped sofa and 2 armchairs. A galley, and opposite a decent sized forward facing chart table. One of the things I love the most about Hallbergs is the woodwork. Most modern yachts use high quality veneer, but Hallberg uses solid wood and the craftsmanship is exceptional. We now venture next door onto the slightly bigger centre cockpit version, the Halberg-Rassy 44. Downstairs the main saloon has a similar feel to the 400, but has a slightly larger forecabin with more stowage. This model boasts the larger galley with double sinks, fitted microwave, fridge freezer and even room for a dishwasher. This leads onto the enormous aft cabin with a central double bed with a sofa to port and dressing table to starboard, and with its own ensuite and shower. Another little feature I love are these pop-in carpets, which are fixed with press studs.
The next yacht we check out is the Beneteau Oceanis 46.1. We love the light, spacious interior, which has lots of port lights, giving it a really bright feel. The craftsmanship is nowhere near the same as the Hallberg, but we really like the layout and feel of this boat.
Up next is the Arcona 435 Mark II, a fast family cruiser and racing yacht.
It's actually got a decent nav station, which a lot of them don't have that anymore.
Established in Sweden and built by sailors for sailors who are passionate about performance, comfort and craftsmanship. Inside it has a light modern Scandinavian design. The chart table is really spacious and looks roomy to sit at. And you can really see the quality of the woodwork and fittings. This model offers 2 double aft cabins, the saloon is designed for entertaining and goes through into a large forecabin and ensuite.
Oh, well, look at all the colours you can choose from.
But it just feels lovely. It's got the build quality of the Hallberg, but
It's
more
got
of the space of the Beneteau.
This is the Arcona 50, which was bigger and equally as stunning. I didn't get any footage inside, as the rep was initially a bit upset as he thought I was from a competitor and was going to strip the yacht down and feed back any flaws I may find.
Moving on to Danish yacht builders X-Yachts, we look around the X-43. This is a versatile and fast family cruiser. X-Yachts are known for delivering superior sailing pleasure along with luxury down below.
I love this spray hood.
Danish design and architecture is famous for its clean and timeless style, and this interior is no different. Superior quality, detailed carpentry and materials set it apart from mass-produced boats. The standard furniture is built in Nordic oak using high-quality wooden veneers from Italy. There is also plenty of deck and port lights to let natural light in. This is the 2-cabin version, but other floor plans are available. look, it's got the bed and that. Was that someone else?
This is the Durfour 37. The exterior layout makes it easy to move around on deck. It's also one of the first yachts of its size to offer a true master cabin accessed by double doors. The saloon is filled with natural light from large deck lights, giving a really bright and airy feel. Up next is the Bavaria, and this is the C42. For a brand new yacht, we actually found these good value for money. The interior is spacious and well laid out. The craftsmanship may not be to the standard of some of the other brands we've seen, but at a starting cost of $202,000, you get a lot of yacht for your money.
It's nice.
I like the wood in there. Now unfortunately our camera batteries died, so we couldn't get much more footage of the Bavarias, but we did manage to get this amazing owner's cabin on the much larger C57.
This one. I know it's the biggest one. For us, this is definitely the star of the show, the Swan 58. It's probably the most luxurious yacht here. The Swan brand is known for elegance, quality, performance, innovation and reliability. They produce yachts from 36 to 128 foot, and this is the 58 foot worth 2.5 million. There is a massive cockpit with twin helm stations and a folding table which can seat 10 guests. Downstairs is pure luxury with a U-shaped galley and comfortable saloon that actually has dining chairs. There is a large fore cabin which leads to an ensuite with a separate shower. The hull windows offer great views which you can stare out of while in bed. To the aft of the boat there is 2 double cabins and a large head with separate shower.
We also met up with some of our sailing friends at the various bars and ended up at a free party at the big powerboat stand. Free booze and free sushi, what's not to like?
Join us next time where James leaves Takazar and takes himself out of his comfort zone on a much bigger yacht. Thanks for watching, and as always don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.